Starfish, guardians of the deep. Exploring the marvelous world of nature's resilient creatures.
By AI for Kids. Embark on a mesmerizing journey through the intriguing world of starfish, where science meets storytelling. Discover the fascinating aspects of their lives, from vibrant habitats to cultural symbolism. Let us dive deep to uncover the secrets of these remarkable beings, celebrating their role in maintaining the ocean's balance and inspiring cultural narratives around the globe. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Mystical ocean world, starfish habitats.
Within the vast embrace of the world's oceans, starfish make their home in diverse marine settings. From the vivid flare of coral reefs to the serene expanses of the tidal pools, these enigmatic creatures meander through environments from the tropics to polar frigidness. This exploration reveals a habitat rich in contrasts, showcasing starfish amidst its natural allure. Our journey takes us beneath the waves to rocky shores, deeper seabeds, and the tranquility of seagrass beds, where starfish bask in the richness of life. Their vibrant hues stand out like hidden gems, telling tales of seas yet untold.
In the gentle sway of the ocean's rhythms, starfish dwell harmoniously, tales entwined with the sea's legacy. We glimpse the serene beauty and majesty that marks their abode, hidden beneath the ocean's surface. How magnificently vast is this aquatic world! Every rock, every reef, a universe unto itself.
The art of design, starfish's physical traits.
Starfish, adorned in captivating forms, are a marvel of nature's artistry. Their central disc and 5 arms, variations echoing throughout, tell a story in vivid colors and intricate designs. Whether showcasing shades of red, blue, or yellow, their appearance, sometimes stretching over 3 feet, speaks to nature's boundless creativity. These features not only guide them through their oceanic realm but captivate those who peer into their world. We delve into the fascinating physical characteristics that make each starfish unique, celebrating their natural elegance and beauty.
In the kaleidoscope of ocean artistry, starfish emerge as living sculptures. Their forms dance in the currents, a silent symphony of color and structure. Each arm, a brush stroke in the ocean's great canvas. Beauty takes many forms.
Culinary crusaders, starfish diet and feeding.
In the ocean's grand dining hall, starfish assume the role of versatile predators and scavengers. Ingeniously, they extrude their stomachs outside their bodies to feast on mollusks, coral, and other small creatures. This unique approach allows them to savor the ocean's bounty wherever it may hide. Each morsel tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the intricate balance of marine life. As we venture into their dietary indulgences, we discover the starfish's pivotal role in maintaining ecological equilibrium.
Beneath the waves, a culinary journey unfolds. Starfish, with their extraordinary feeding rituals, partake in the ocean's ceaseless dance of life. Every meal unfolds a new wonder. In feeding, I partake of nature's great symphony.
Solitude and society, the social life of starfish.
Starfish, known for their solitary nature, sometimes break this pattern in a dance of community during feeding or breeding. Alone or together, they navigate using their tube feet, driven by a water vascular system that sets them apart in the marine realm. These rhythmic movements are a statement of evolutionary elegance, an evolution of solitude punctuated by moments of communal connection. Exploring their behavior unfurls a tapestry of interactions and instincts that remind us of the primal bonds shared under the sea.
In the ebb and flow of silent waters, starfish move a solitary ballet of purpose and instinct, occasionally merging in the tapestry of marine life. In isolation, I find peace; in company, a shared purpose. Both facets complete me.
Cycle of renewal, starfish reproduction.
Starfish embody the magic of regeneration, perpetuating life through multiple avenues. With grace, they release eggs and sperm into the ocean, giving rise to free-swimming larvae, a dance of life set adrift. Beyond this, their ability to regenerate limbs and even entire bodies speaks to nature's profound resilience. This aspect of their life cycle is a testament to renewal and continuity, a promise that life will always find a way. It's a journey through nature's ingenious strategies that showcase hope and vitality under the waves.
In the ocean's gentle embrace, the miracle of life unfolds. An endless cycle of renewal and regeneration dances through the currents. In renewal, I find my essence, my place in this endless cycle of life.
Guardians of balance, starfish's ecological role.
In the intricate web of marine ecosystems, starfish emerge as unsung guardians. Predators in their right, they regulate prey populations, ensuring the balance essential to the ocean's health. Their presence is a linchpin in maintaining the equilibrium, their appetite a counterweight to unchecked growth. Through such ecological roles, they nourish larger predators, weave connections, and uphold the harmony that defines marine biodiversity. This exploration of their ecological impact underscores their integral place within the ocean's grand design.
Silent sentinels of the sea, starfish sculpt the ocean's destiny, threading through the very fabric of marine life and sustenance. In every action lies significance. Balance and harmony. It is here that I truly belong.
Threats and challenges, starfish conservation.
Starfish face a tapestry of threats woven from human impact and environmental change. While resilient by nature, pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change pose significant challenges. The changing seas threaten not only their homes but the delicate balance they help uphold. Our story seeks to illuminate both their plight and the urgent call to action required to preserve these guardians of the deep. By understanding their vulnerabilities, we advocate for a world where starfish continue to embellish the ocean's tapestry.
In the silent depths, starfish encounter the shadow of change. The call to protect them resonates deeply, an echo of our shared fate with nature. In vulnerability, we find shared destinies. Let us weave paths towards healing and hope.
Symbolic star, cultural significance of starfish.
Beyond the physical realm, starfish weave stories of inspiration and symbolism in various cultures. With their regenerative prowess, they embody renewal, healing, and resilience. Their presence in maritime folklore and art speaks of guidance and protection, inviting a sense of wonder that transcends oceans. This exploration into their cultural significance reveals the deep-rooted connections we share with these ocean wonders, echoing motifs of hope, strength, and the endless possibility of regeneration.
Emissaries from the depths, starfish tell tales of healing and renewal, a testament to nature's enduring spirit, resonating in human hearts. From the sea's embrace, I rise, a timeless symbol of life's ceaseless renewal and hope,